back to Condé TV. I'm Tori, and today we're going to be talking about our new line of Unisub hardboard products. Today we've got our coasters and we've got our refrigerator magnets. Now the coasters come in a new style. This is the Rustic Edge, and it gives a funky style to it, a little bit of a scallop shape. And because these coasters come with the cork backing, you can also sublimate the back of them too with your contact information or your business logo so that customers know where to reorder. Now these come in a couple different shapes, and we also have a couple shapes for our Rustic Edge in the refrigerator magnets. Now we also have the house shape magnet, which comes with a smooth edge. You're not gonna see any of those scallops on that one. However, that's the one I'm gonna be working with today, the house shape. And you sublimate all of these hardboard products the same way, so let's get started. So the items I brought with me today are my protective paper, my blank piece of Unisub hardboard, my image, and some Condé heat tape. I also have my magnet to put on later, but we're gonna set that to the side. Now, first and foremost, you always wanna check your piece of hardboard for the peel protective coating. This item doesn't have a peel coat, but if it did, you wanna make sure to remove it. Next, we're gonna take our image and line it up with the white glossy side on our hardboard magnet. Once it's all centered and has space, equally distributed on each side, we're gonna tape it down with a piece of our Condé heat tape. And just to be safe, let me put another piece on the other side. Now we're ready to take it to the press. All right, when we get to the press, we wanna lay down a piece of protective paper first, followed by our piece of hardboard with the image face down, and then we're gonna cover it up with another piece of protective paper. And then we press. I've got all of my settings here all ready to go, but for you, I encourage you to check out Condé.com for all the latest instructions. That sound means our magnet is done. So I'm gonna take it off the press and let's see how it turned out. All right, that looks really good. I don't have my heat gloves on, so I'm gonna let it cool for a second and then I'll show you the final product. My house-shaped magnet just finished cooling, and what do you guys think? I think it looks great. I love the colors. The only thing left to do is apply that magnet. And with the little self-adhesive, it should stick just fine. Now remember, the magnets are sold separately and they're sold in bulk. So when you talk to your Condé account agent, make sure to order yours. For more tips, products, and services, visit Condé.com. And for more of my videos, be sure to watch Condé TV. I'm Tori, and thanks for watching.